But let's go back and say, like, exactly, I'll share what I feel would be ideal to have another child, and then you share,
Okay.
like, these things would have to happen.
Okay.
Okay, because mine will probably be a little bit
Different.
less. And I'm like, I just need a bigger hand. I don't give another.
Right.
No, I'm just kidding. No. But okay, ideally, of course, like career-wise, it wouldn't just be like started. It would have to be very much established. So that way, once I'm pregnant, I wouldn't have to go so hard. So I would have to have a lot of passive income coming from my business or businesses. Rather, I'm like writing. Hopefully my books would be written by then.
Right.
And I would have to have money just coming in without me having to do a lot, because I don't want to have to be so focused on work and not being able to focus on my babies. Because fortunately, I was able to focus on Keone as a baby and the twins for the most part outside of going to school. So I would want that. And even if I was a nurse, I would be able to, take a big chunk of maternity time to be home with the baby. So that would be one. Career-wise would have to be on point, like not more than on point, very much established, not just starting out.
Okay. And what does that mean? Established.
That's what I just said. I would have to be like passive and like a lot of passive, passive income enough to not just pay the bills, but to obviously keep up our lifestyle. So I could just do stuff from the computer, if anything, not having to just go so hard of like, like I do now, all the content creating, all that. I would have to be more passive income.
Right.
Living wise, we would definitely have to have not just space, but it would be, I know you want to have investment properties first, so obviously that's not where we would be living to be able to have this baby. We would need to be living in our, not necessarily dream home, but a home large enough to accommodate the kids that we have as well as another baby.
Right.
And then also, I feel like that might be, and also I would have to be younger than 40. I'm not interested in being pregnant older than 40.
And let me ask you something. So as a dad, okay, I see what you're saying.
Because
you're saying actually physically having a baby.
Not because of anything else, just because it's a lot more dangerous. I could, if it was okay, I would be okay at 50, but just because of already my body, it's hard on my body to be pregnant. And that was when I was 20, in my 20s and my 30s. So I know I'm 40, it would be even harder, so with my cervix and all that. So that's why I say that.
Okay.
And let's just be honest, the bounce back is just a little bit harder as you get older. As I see, like when I was 20, I bounced back like, gee. The twins took effort. So obviously if I'm older, it's going to take more work.
And I have to worry about the bounce back too. Yeah, I'm not having a baby, but I'm eating all the food. And the slower my metabolism goes down, the harder it is to get rid of it. I still haven't got rid of the twin stuff, and she already has. So that's that.